Is that sharpshooter? Did he actually come? It is. He came.
It is him. Should I send him away?
No, he
Okay.
can land or whatever.
Well, at least we're keeping him entertained. I imagine that medic is usually a pretty boring job.
User joined your channel.
What
I
do you
might
want?
do.
Hey, sharpshooter.
We may have just fixed the issue somehow, but we had the car like stuck in the wall of the uranium field.
How do you not dying?
Well, actually, my health is 76 now that you
I can't
mention
hear
it.
anything. I'm going under your helicopter right now.
The reason they didn't die is because they're wearing those suits.
Oh, yeah, I'm not wearing a suit.
That protective padding. Yeah.
Yeah, well, I think you might need to. But they've fixed it, so it's all good.
But you have to
there you
admit,
go.
sharpshooter, you probably never played
Sharpshooter.
EMS and had this much work to do. Just for me and Frankie alone.
Stay on board, because we will need you again, I'm certain of it. Look what I bring, Triss.
What'd you bring? Where are you?
Next to you.
Oh. Oh, we can mine some more.
Yeah.
Alright, just message us.
Yeah, I will do. Sharpshooter.
Thanks.
I'll give you some
Yeah.
shit, dude. There's a cop braving the radiation here.
Who is that? Which
Hey
cop
guys,
is it?
just
Private
checking
parts.
out a few things here. What's going on, Bert?
Hey, you're gonna die!
I can't hear anything.
Private parts, you're gonna die. What are you
That's
doing
fine, I
here?
can't.
You're gonna die.
I can
That's
hear you
Budgie.
without helmet on either,
Yeah.
bro. No one's gonna die.
You're gonna get radiation
He's got a
poison.
medic. He's got
Yeah,
a medic.
we've got a
for
medic.
support.
That's cool. That's cool, guys. We've got the medic train going on here, guys.
Oh, I see, I see.
Nice parking. Have you got a permit? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Where are you going, buddy?
Where did he go?
Whoa, whoa. Stop the car. Come on. Don't do anything silly. Is he doing donuts?
He is, he is. Hey, why are you shooting at my buddy?
Because he's trying to drive away. Come on.
But we're unarmed. We're unarmed.
I need a repair kit, Triss.
Of course you do, Frankie.
I was
Take that tire so you
I
can
was-
drive.
I was trying to jump the fence, but I kind of just went straight through it.
Okay.
And of course I have to walk slow because I'm carrying uranium.
So guys,
You
we're
might
going to be
be
doing some uranium shortly.
Try and do it
so-
again.
Does 350 sound good for the payment?
2 seconds, Frank. Look, we've just been called away. Budgie's on 4 health. I don't know where Budgie is. but
Wait,
that's
who's
what I heard in
Budgie?
the local
Yeah.
paper. We're going to be going away, and we might come back.
When we go to do the enriched uranium and transportation, does $3.50 sound about good? Because you're going to need to escort us according to the rules.
Sorry, what's it going to be worth for an escort, boys?
Because you need to escort us to from uranium enriching to the uranium trader, and we need to pay you. So I was suggesting $3.50 for payment.
I gotta be honest, I can't really hear you with that helmet on. Can you take it off when you talk to me, please, Luke? Thanks, man. My medic will be of assistance.
I'm not an idiot.
Okay, that's fine.
Jump in,
Clearly you
Chris.
are. I'm just gonna get you to jump that fence again, mate. Before we leave, just give us a show before we leave.
we should sell this in time because we have 20 minutes to get from
Oh,
here
we need
the
to
other
message the
place.
cops. Give Budgie a message.
What, that you're going to the uranium processor?
Yeah,
Yeah.
we have about 20 that we're gonna sell.
Yeah, it was money day well spent. I'm just opening up the thing.
I'm not even going to bother like storing half of my cement in my house. I'm just going to sell it all.
Good idea.
Well, the price has already dropped $400. So I'm actually probably helping you guys because the price of uranium will probably go up.
Sent Budgie a message telling him that we needed an escort for our massive quantities of uranium.
Okay, we need to go.
And he agreed to $350, right?
Yeah, that was the agreement. It was $3.50.
Yeah.
$3.50. We need to go this way.
Yeah, technically we're supposed to wait up to 10 minutes for him, but we'll just head that way.
No.
We don't
no
have 10
time,
minutes.
server restart.
Yeah, we don't have any time to wait. You know, maybe we should give Budgie a tip and give him an even $4.
Yeah.
Oh wait, it's not him. Where are you?
That's Raven above us. Don't respond. Oh well, Raven should be able to tell him. We gotta keep driving. Hang on. Keep driving. Just keep driving.
Okay. Leon, do you mind sending him? What? No way. Is he seriously putting his sirens on? Does he want us to stop?
Okay, just pull over quickly then. Brakes.
You know,
We don't have
'cause
time though. I'll explain to him. Okay, good. Yeah, I sent him a message just then saying server restart soon. What time?
I ran over something.
Okay, all good. Make sure you go left on that road.
Oh
That's
my
down there.
God, who is that? What are they doing? Is that
Probably
Budgie?
Budgie.
Or is it Raven again? No, Raven's.
No, it's not Raven. Yeah,
probably-
it's Budgie. Private parts.
Jeez. That scared me.
What the fuck is Budgie doing?
Being Budgie.
Fucking Budgie. Private parts is doing what I always do, but I do it better. If I fucking hit him and lose this, it's gonna be the end of me.
To lose all 5 or however many are
He
over
is
there.
like a centimeter over my car just then.
Yeah.
Go off to the right. When you hit that, turn off to the right, Tris. Noodles inbound.
Yeah.
User disconnected from your channel.
Just 17k. Oh, that's not bad.
Whoa, Frankie. I'm gonna pull up there. Okay, cool.
Evening, lads.
Evening, lad.
Oh.
Much appreciated for not pulling us up before then, Raven. It's just times in the ditch right now.
Yeah, no worries. I understand. I'll do uranium for you.
So, how much do you guys want for your escort duties? Like, I was thinking about $3.50 would be a reasonable sum of money.
Frankie, mate, this is a robbery.
You just get
Like,
the cops to do
$3,
it, yeah.
$3.50 split between like 6 cops, the 3 helicopters you flew out. I reckon that's about right.
So that's like 50 cents each? Yeah, that'll work. Okay, is that it?
So that's it for our sales. So how much do you guys actually want? How about we give you like 3 bars, like one hatchback full, so 3 bars. So that's like what 17, 54k. Does that sound good to you guys?
No, I'm pretty sure, we're the people with the guns here. We could just take everything, couldn't we, Raven?
Yeah, we could.
Well, I suppose you could.
Okay, that's cool.
There you go. I go 60k to 4 so he can divide it up in amongst the police force. Do you guys?
Because you did such a great job. Although Private Parts
Yeah,
did
we'll
agree
be
to
able to hold off, right?
350. Frankie, do you need this truck stored? Or you just want to let it do its thing?
Yeah, we'll quickly go back to Gareth
Alright.
thingy and just drop it in. Look out guys, we don't really want to run you over.
Alright.
We made more money than I thought we would, Frankie.
Yeah, we made like if we join our money together, it was well over $500,000.
You guys have really got to keep better eyes on your truck when you're doing
Oh
drugs,
my
eh?
god!
You're robbing
Budgie's
kids.
inside my truck.
Budgie's robbing you right now. Just wanted to know that.
Snuck in. Yeah, Budgie's good at that.
You're right.
Budgie's very, very, very sneaky, yeah?
Yeah, Budgie is very sneaky. I was wondering what
You were
happened to
too,
you at
Budgie,
the
robbing you.
uranium. Yeah, I was wondering what happened to you at the uranium thing. So it was unlocked? I had it
As soon as
unlocked?
you fill this thing, yeah, as soon as you fill this thing with drugs, I got in before you guys got out, or before Frankie got out.
That's funny. That is...
Have a wonderful day.